Moving average strategies in mixed markets traders, welcome back. Navigating mixed sideways markets is one of the biggest challenges. Moving averages can help you filter out the noise. Let's look at key strategies for using them in 2026's uncertain conditions. 1. Focus on the tape instead of the trend. In a ranging market, forget the long-term trend. Price will whip around key averages. The strategy shifts to trading the oscillations between support and resistance. 2. Use the double band system for key levels. Combine two moving averages to create a dynamic trading band. The setup. Use the 20-period EMA, fast, and 50-period EMA, slow, on a 4-hour chart. In a range, price will bounce between them. The trade. Buy near the slower 50 EMA when the price is in the lower half of the range, with the 20 EMA above the 50. Sell near the faster 20 EMA when price is in the upper half, with the 20 EMA below the 50. Use FXCM's one-click trading to execute quickly at these levels. 3. Tighten your stops and targets. Trend-following stops behind distant averages will get hit. Place stops just outside the opposite moving average band. Take profits at the other side of the band. Aim for smaller, more frequent wins. 4. Watch for the breakout signal. The mixed market won't last forever. The signal is when price closes consecutively outside both moving averages, and the 20 EMA crosses decisively through the 50. Use FXCM's price alerts to notify you of this critical change. Mixed markets require a shift in mindset. Use moving averages to define the range's edges, trade the bounces, and protect yourself for the eventual breakout. With practice on the FXCM platform, you can trade these conditions with confidence. Thanks for watching.